Hey guys, got this solar light here. These guys sent me to do an unboxing and review on, so I'm going to do just that. Here's all the parts that come with it. Here's the light itself. It's got an on-off button. That baby is bright. That's the sensor right there. It's got the mounting bracket, and then you can mount it to a 4x4, or you can just mount it to a wall. Comes with a remote control. See, I think it's AAA batteries. And here's all the, you won't actually use all this stuff depending on what kind of mount you want, but it has all the fasteners for going in just in here, or if you wanted to clamp the two together, it's got options for that as well. All right, I set this thing out all day yesterday to charge. Look at how bright that thing is. That is nice. Out here early in the morning. This thing really does a good job of lighting up. Here in the woods. All right, for mounting this thing, if I had a 4x4, I could just use both of these, but I got something a little bit bigger, so I'm not gonna use that piece. Just gonna use this right here. I'm just gonna mount it right up here to that. Okay, now for mounting this thing, this pole here just sits right down inside of that light, just like that. And then as far as the angle goes, you want this facing up. And so that little stiffener down here is gonna face 90 degrees, face down. And then we're gonna take this plate here, and then these are the fasteners here with the nuts. The nuts are gonna be held in place down below, and they're kind of self-holding. After you stick them in the hole, then you will just thread the bolt down on top of it. Okay, so these bolts here are 14 millimeters. Then we'll just take this here, and one of these, I'm gonna hold that up underneath there. This piece is gonna go in there. Holding it with my middle finger underneath. It's just gonna thread right down in there. All right, you can adjust the brightness of the light with this here. You can set your lighting for how many hours you want it on and how many hours you want it off. There's some motion detection features on here too, but you can see I'm just bumping it up to 75%. There's 100%. You can see how bright it is out here. Darn near just like daylight underneath this thing.